40 years of marriage is a testament to enduring love, commitment, and partnership. It's a journey marked by joyous moments, shared dreams, and challenges together. As we celebrate this remarkable occasion, let us acknowledge the profound impact of their love on their family and friends. Their journey reminds us of the power of love and the beauty of lifelong partnership. At ito ang mga tao na nagmamahal sa inyo para magbigay ng mga mensahe para sa inyong 40th wedding anniversary.
Mula sa kakwelan niyong ka-CFC mula noon hanggang ngayon,
greeting you a happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, June and Dada. Stay love.
Isang maligayang pagbati paring June and Maring Dada sa inyong 40th wedding anniversary. Biro mo, you're just 10 years away from gold. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay serving the Lord. Keep the flame burning, not only on your marriage, but especially in the service of God. I love you.
Bagong lahat ay pasasalamat sa pagkakataon na makabati kami sa inyong dalawa, Kuya June at Ate Dada.
Ang anibersaryo nyo ngayon ay isa pang milestone worth celebrate.
Kaya naman ang bati namin, cheers for decades of love, commitment, and cherished memories. Happy wedding anniversary!
Happy 40th wedding anniversary, Kuya June and Ate Dada. Kuya June and Ate Dada, hindi po namin kayo makakalimutan. Kayo yung couple na lagi namin tinitingnan because you are growing all together, serving the Lord together. Maraming salamat po. You were there to comfort us during our lowest point of our life. Hindi po namin makakalimutan yun. Thank you for all the love and friendship through the years. Wishing you more anniversaries to come. We love you.
Happy 40th anniversary, Tito John and Tita Dada. May God bless your union more.
Enjoy the days ahead, serving the Lord through the family and through the community of Couples for Christ. God bless!
40th anniversary po, Ninong June and Ninang Dada. More anniversaries to come. God bless po!
Happy 40th wedding anniversary, Tito June and Tita Dada. Keep the love burning.
God bless you always.
Hello, paring June and Maring Dada. Bumabati lang ako ng isang happy 40th wedding anniversary. Ang tatanda na natin, apu-apo na lang ang ginagawa. Okay, yun lang. At sana ay magkaroon pa kayo ng mahabang anniversary sa darating na panahon. At saka, of course, love together. Sweet, sweet, sweet love. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Happy anniversary, Paring June, Maring Dada.
Wishing you all the best.
Tito June, Ate Dada, happy 40th wedding anniversary. May you have many more anniversaries to celebrate. And we wish you more happiness in life and God bless you even more. You are an inspiration to us. Happy anniversary!
Tito John, Ate Dada, happy anniversary. Sana maraming pang ang anibersaryo ang dumating sa inyong mag-asawa. Dahil ang dami nyo na-inspired sa ating community ng Couples for Christ. Inspirasyon namin kayo. Kaya sana maraming pang anibersaryo ang dumating sa inyong mag-asawa. God bless.
Kuya John and Ate Dada, happy 40th anniversary from CFC Tayabas! Yay!
Hello, June and Dada. As you celebrate your remarkable 40th wedding anniversary, I am filled with admiration and joy for the incredible journey you've shared together. 40 years of marriage is a testament to the enduring love, commitment, and dedication you have shown to each other through every joy and challenge life has presented. Here's to celebrating 48 years of love, laughter, and cherished moments, and to many more years of happiness, health, and adventures together. Happy anniversary!
Ninong June, Ninang Dada, 40 years na pala. Congratulations. So, simula pa lang nung kinuha namin kayong ninong at ninang sa aming pagpapakasal. So, ikaw na yung, kayo na yung iniidolo namin sa pag-asawa at sa pagtataguyod ng isang masayang pamilya. So, congratulations! Happy 40th anniversary!
Happy 40th!
Happy 40th, Kuya June! Happy Dada!
Cheers!
Cheers po!
Happy anniversary, Paring June, Maring Dada! Kami ay natutuwa at inabot ninyo ang ika-40th year ng inyong pagsasama. Hindi lamang napakatagumpay ninyo sa inyong papel bilang mga magulang, napalaki ninyo ng maayos ang inyong mga anak, at kayo ay naging idolo ng iba pang mag-asawahan, lalo na dito sa Quezon, dito sa ating community ng Couples for Christ dito sa Quezon. Kayo ang pinakamataas na ang naging antas ng leadership dito sa community. Kaya kami ay natutuwa at kami ay mapalad din na kami nakasama ninyo at hanggang ngayon nandito tayo na naglilingkod sa ating Panginoon. Sana ay marami pang anibersaryo ang inyong sapitin. Sana ay makarating pa kayo ng 50th year ng inyong pagsasama.
Yes.
Happy anniversary muli, pare and mare.
The strength and the depth of your love is evident in the 40 years together. Happy 40th Ruby wedding anniversary to both of you, Kuya June and Ate Dada. Sana ay umabot pa kayo ng 100 years together sa inyong anniversary. Ano kaya Ate Dada? Sasama ka pa rin ba kay Kuya June sa pag-deliver ng gamot sa akin kahit gano'n na kayo katanda? Siguro ay uugod-ugod na kayo nun. Gano'n din naman ako kasi may edad na rin ako. Wala man ako ngayon sa anniversary nyo, ay pipilitin ko at may papangako ko na sa golden anniversary ninyo ay pipilitin kong makarating at makisaya sa inyong celebration. Salamat and have a nice day. Mabuhay kayo.
Hello! Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary,
Lola June and Lola Dada!
Hey!
More blessings to you and your family. We love you!
We love you!
I miss you guys!
Happy 40th wedding anniversary! Tito Dada, Tito June.
Good wishes!
Take care!
Lots of love!
Congrats!
Hello! Hi! Good morning or good evening or good afternoon.
Good, whatever.
Right, so yeah, I just want to greet you Ate Dada and Kuya June. A happy 40th.
It's your Ruby anniversary.
So yeah, hope to see you another 10 years for your golden anniversary. And hoping to go home as well.
Yeah, in next February.
Yeah,
right? February 25.
Right.
It's a date. Early February.
Right. So we are here at Sarah's house.
Yeah, that's my house.
Yeah.
Well, no, that's not my house. That's my backyard.
So this is her house.
Okay. She wants me to show the back of my house.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah, to brothers and sisters in Lucena City, hope to see you by February when we go home with my family. And also, ingat kayo always. I know life is hard, but yeah.
As long as you're together, that's all that matters.
That is right. Okay?
Mom, your entire video was in English.
Oh, okay. That's fine. But yeah.
See you guys later. Okay, bye.
Mula sa aming lahat, happy anniversary Kuya June and Ate Dada.